happy we had the opportunity of meeting with
Exactly.
Chimi Kaladu, and he's a legend and hero himself.
But by the way, here are the titles I have, because each time you see me, if I'm not with one staff, I am with the other. A red cap is always, the other caps are there. This staff, the walking stick, they are all there. The Igwe of my town, Igwe retired Justice Peter Onya, he gave me the chieftaincy title in 2006 of Ukemiri Nezuroha. No, not Uzuzo. Nezu. Ikenya, if you share, it goes round. It must go round, because it was created in the first place by God. If God created it, human beings do not have rights to come and apportion. Give it freely to everybody. After all, water is even bigger than earth, than land, the way God created it. You understand? So he gave me that title. Then the next title came from Obunike in Anambra State, Udezurumba. Udezurumba, that is he that is popular even in foreign land, by Igwe Oshitademma Umenyora of Obunike. The next one came from Igwe Hazulike of Lagos. Igwe Hazulike of Lagos. He gave me Omerowa Obiangore 1. He that makes the whole world happy. You know. Then in Uturu, where this man was celebrating the tallest masquerade in Igbo land, the owner of Godfrey University in Uturu, I was given Utu 1 of Uturu, Utu 1. Professor Gregory, you know, Utu 1 of Uturu. Then Calabar gave me Obong Ufuru, Obong Ufuru 1. Obong has to do with kings in there. Then the Igwe of Nsugbe gave me Nsugbe 1 of Nsugbe, and so on and so forth. So these are titles that enable me to fit into any corner of elders in Igbo land or elders in foreign land. You know, there are many other titles. I will get to tell you people as we go on.
Thank you. All right.